We're going to draw a couple names for some perfect attendance prize bags, and then we'll get to spinning the wheel to see who's the best one. Sound good? Yeah! Are you guys all ready for our attendance assembly? All right. We're going to start off with our kindergartners that have been here every day for the month of November. Okay, so kindergartners, when you guys hear your names, can you just stand up for me? Yes, thank you. We've got Bashir Abdurrahman, Matthew Adam, Sakina El Sharjabi, Elisa Aristides, Calogero Gentile, Jamari Hamill, Isabella Hopkinson, Malachi Joseph, Alexander Kaysen, Christina McBee, Imran Mekic, Liam Perez, Sylvester Peterson, Cassidy Cushone, Nereus Pope, Amar Redzik, Prince Rodriguez, Theodore Rorda, Luis Velez, and Paul De Loa. Nice job, guys. Okay, you guys can go ahead and sit down. Did you guys notice some big kids here at the assembly today? So they don't know it yet, but they're going to help me out today. Word? So we decided we're going to draw a few names for every grade level, and we're going to give out a little perfect attendance award for a couple winners. Okay? So Mark White, why don't you come up and draw the kindergarten names? All right, Pierre. All right, first kindergarten winner is Luis Velez. Come on up. Okay, winner number 2. Imran Mekic. Come on up, bud. Okay, first grade perfect attendance winners. We have Elias Al-Dalahi, Juliana Berg, Miracle Clark, Justin Tu, Riley Jenkins, Diana Magula, Christian Panasulia. Yep, stand right up. Braden Rando, Eric Speck, and Aria Ward. Nice job, guys. All right, Isaiah, I'll bring him up. All right, our 2 lucky first grade winners. We've got Eric Speck, and Juliana Berg. Nice job, kiddo. All right, we're on to second grade perfect attendance. Okay, we've got Mohammed Abdurrahman, Kiana Atkins, Giovanna Garcia, Samantha Haas, Abdi Hakeem Haji, Olivia Kokler, Kaylani Howard, Ayub Jur, Hamis Kamis, LaQuay Lawrence, Alexander Nadarevic, Tikwa Owens, Aiden Pritchard, Kyle Robinson, Suli Rodriguez, Jamari Stewart, Quamir Taylor, Guillermo Torres Rosario, Mason Wagstaff, Rayshawn Watson, Porter Wilson, and Cece Wynn. Awesome job, guys. So awesome. on up and pick partner. Okay, second grade winner, Thomas. Come on up. And our second one is Porter Wilson. Nice job, Buzz. Okay, and last but not least, we've got our third grade perfect attenders. Oh, this is a long list. Are we ready? Batuma, Abdul Rahim, Sawyer Bombasino, Tessa Cartone, Josh Kian Sereno Diaz, Javon Clark, Michaela Duniak, Peyton Henry, Celine Jones, Andre Lagia, Janaya Lang, Anderson Lee, Giuseppe Lewis, Darnell Martinez, Paul McBee III, Hamza Manandwa, Sabian Morales Jr., Zainab Mukhtar, Daoud Osman, Malachi Sebron, Reham Shabian, Osarama Stetson, Camille Stokely, Caden Tourville, and Lumar Vines. Nice job, guys. Okay, first third grade winner is Asarma Stetson. And our second one is Hazma Manandwa. All right, I think I know what you guys have all been waiting for. Okay, so November's perfect attendance. Do we get a drum roll again? Wait a minute. How could this be? No way. It's Miss Griffin's class? Way to go, Miss Griffin's class. Fardusa Abdul Rahim, Aliyah Aldalahi. Yep, you guys can stand right up. Dalton Carter, Michaela Clark, Kanai Doster, Majesty Esty, Prince Henderson, Antonio Howard, Ashton Howard, Amila Kadeep, Valentina Kaysen, Kennedy Lee, Amari Martinez Velez, Alicia Mo, Julian Moda, Jessica Nugent, Alessandra Park, King Reed, Mason Roman, Sophia Sum, and Lucas Vines. Awesome job, guys. Okay, our two fourth grade winners. Fardusa Abdulrahim. Okay, fifth grade perfect attendance, we have Mohammed Alam, Abdulazli Alahojim, Surah Chris, Isabella Singh, F. December, Xavier Esmaria, Yasin Haji, Alex Hurley, Leah Jackson Carney, Aiden Lee, Yara Lariano, Esther Ma, Alejandro Martinez, Made Mukhtar, Albert Masoka, Asif Nadarevic, Miley Oleksic, Valentina Pina, Xavier Rodriguez, Artie Salee, Thomas Tay, and Alexandra Zaniga Felix. Nice job, guys. Okay, our first fifth grade winner. Esther Ma. And our second winner is Mayday Mukhtar. Okay, nice job, fifth grade. All right, sixth graders, you're up. And sixth grade's a really long list. It's a good thing. All our sixth graders showed up for school. Okay, sixth grade perfect attendance. Emma Adam, Javion Barber, Patrick Berg. Come on, stand up. VRVR, Isaiah Bowens, Preston Bowens, Oscar Boykin, Gabby Caracas, Soraya Charbel, Justine Dennis, Gabriel DeRoche, Jack Elsip, Deanna Green, Adrian Harper, Mia Heron, Sierra Howard, Diego Laguia, Sierra Martian, Anthony Mashtar, April Moe, Jeffrey Moo, Eckler Moses, John Nugent, Isabella Pina, Zainab Saad, Mahira Shaheen, Window Stowe, Jesse Thaler, Mackenzie Thornton, Saeed Tillery, Marilicia Vines, Gio Nawa, and Sawa Moon. Awesome job, sixth grade. Okay, our first sixth grade winner is Oscar Boykin. And our second one is Isaiah Bowens. for December. And if I don't see you, have a great holiday.